Good day everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to buy your domain name. In this video I'll be showing you how to buy your domain name. In the previous video I already showed you how to register an account on namecheap.com. So now in this video I'll be showing you how to buy your domain name. So the first thing you need to do is visit this website namecheap.com. Then you click on the sign in button. You can see the sign in button here. Input your username, your password, and you click on the sign in button. So you'll be asked to input a verification code. So a verification code will be sent to your email address, the email address you used to register. So you have to input that verification code here. So let's see the verification code we have. Let me check my email. Sorry. Let me just try and check the email here. Sorry for the time. I don't know. My phone is just popping out. Okay. So we have to input the verification code here. We have to type in the verification code here. Sorry, I'm still waiting for the verification code to drop on my phone. Sorry for the delay. I'm still waiting for the verification code. Okay, finally it has dropped. Let's check. Okay, the verification code is here. FE1D51. Okay, then you input your verification code. So now you can see we are finally logged in. So now the next thing you need to do now is you want to purchase a domain name. So to purchase your domain name now, you need to click on this domain. You can see domain here, this tab. So you click on domain, you see domain name search. So click on that domain name search. So on your domain name search page, so this is where you type in the website link, the link you want for your website, the domain name you want to use for your website. Let's assume you want to use notjabs.com. You type notjabs.com here. If it's notjabsgh.com, you type notjabsgh.com. If it's dropshipping.com, you type dropshipping. So let's just give a name. Let's just check for a name. Let's say dropship class.com. So let's assume this is the name we want to give our store, our dropshipping store. So once we just type in the name, we click on the search button here. So you will see, once you click on the search button, you'll be given different options. So you see if this domain name has been registered. You can see this domain name is not available. You can see it's taken already. You can see the one that are available. So let's search for another thing. Let's search for another domain name that is available. Let me try dropship for me, or let's just use dropship class, or dropship training for me. So now you can see this name. Let's assume this is our website name. So any name you want to use for your website, you have to just type it here and click on the search button. So once you click on the search button, it will give you options. You will see if the domain name is available or it has been used by another user. So you can see this domain name, you can see this one is available, you can see the tick here, and you can see the amount here. So now let's assume this is the name we want to use for our online store. So Always note, when you are choosing a name, choose a very unique name, a name that won't be too long, and something that will be able to, it will be easy for your customers to be able to um remember. So you can just, don't just, I'm just using this for the training purpose. So just use a name you desire, any name you like that you think is unique for you, so that's what you use. So now let's see, let's assume we want to use this name for our dropshipping store. So the next thing we need to do here is, you can see you can already see it here that is available for use. It has not been used by anyone before. So next thing we have to do here is click on add to cart. So once you click on add to cart, you get a pop-up. Yes, though it's not compulsory you use the pop-up. So once you click on add to cart, you get a page like this. Then you click on checkout. You can see the checkout button here, so click on checkout. So on your checkout page, you see different options here. So just leave this, the default options there, just leave it like this. Don't change anything, don't set anything there, just leave it like this. So the next thing you need to do is scroll down. There's nothing else to set here, so I think everything here is okay. So the next thing you need to do is just click on confirm order. Okay, now you can see the page we are now after clicking on confirm order. So here you input your company name. You can use any name of your choice. Dropship Inc. You can use any name of your choice. Your job title. This is if you are registering on behalf of a company. But if you are not registering on behalf of a company, you have to just tick on that tick, so it will not give you that option. So you just input your name, your last name, your address. So just fill in that first address, city, state. So I'm just using any option actually, just to make everything fast. So you have to set all this. You have to put your details there. Let's search for Ghana. Let me check for Kumasi zip code. Sorry for the delay, I'm just trying to. Okay, let's just use this. So you just have to check for your state or your zip code, for your state zip code. So let's just use that for now. Then your phone number. So I just have to put any details there for now. So now once you fill in all the details here, the next thing you need to do is click on continue. So once you click on continue, you have a page like this. So on this page, you don't need to edit anything, just leave it the way it is. So you can see users, default accounts, contacts. So just leave it just like this, leave it like this. Enables time for purchase, domain privacy ensures. So just leave all this. You can now tick on this, save the configuration above to my default checkout settings. Then you click on continue. So this is the page we have to input our ATM card numbers, maybe your debit or your credit card. So this is where you input your debit card details. So let me assume my debit card details is test. The name, you input the name of your card here and your card numbers here. So I'm just going to input any card number here. So your card number, the month, so because the card is not correct, that's why it's giving us invalid card. So I'm not using the real card, I'm just putting any numbers there. So if you want to make payment on this particular page, you have to fill in your full name, the name that is on your card, your debit or your credit card. So you have to fill in the full name here and your card number here. So once you fill in your card number, the digit on your card, on your debit or credit card, that is what you have to type in here. You have to type in the year of the expiring date, which is the expiring date in your ATM card or your debit or credit card. So you have to input it there. Then you have to input the CVV, or let's say, okay, CVC. That's the three digits at the back of your debit or your credit card. So that's the three digits you have to input here. So your expiring date, you have to input that. The CVC, which is the number at the back of your debit or credit card, so you have to add that to your card number. So you can see this is how it should look like. This is your card number here. You have to input your card number here. The expiring date here, you can see 09/22 2022. So the expiring date, and the CVC, which is the number at the back of your debit or credit card. So once you input all that, um the next thing you need to do is click on continue. But in case you don't want to make payment with your card, you have a PayPal account you can make payment with, so you can always use this PayPal option. So once you click on it, you get an option to input your PayPal Gmail account or your Gmail email for your PayPal account. So then you'll be able to pay with PayPal. But for this training, we'll be using cards, so that's why I'm using this card as an instance. So once you input your card details like this, the number and everything, the CVV, the next thing you need to do is click on continue. Remember, this is not a real card, I just use this for this training purpose. So once you click on continue, you should get a page. Let's see, let me even see. You can see this card is not correct, the card number is incorrect. So if your card number is correct, if you input everything correctly, once you click on continue, it will take you to a page, a particular page that your domain name, your order has been successfully placed. So you get a page that your order has been successfully placed. So once you get to that page and you see that your order has been successfully placed, it means you have successfully bought your domain name. So in the next video, I'll be showing you what how your dashboard will look like after purchasing your domain name, how you would know if your domain name is active or not. I'm going to be showing you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.